Hi guys, today I'm going to do the review of the Honda CB Unicorn, which is 7 months old. I've done the review of the vehicle after 1 month of purchase. Click the link to see that also. And now coming to the condition of the vehicle, it is still as new. The engine is very silent and very smooth to drive even now. I didn't face not even an issue. It's still running as new. But one thing, this tank cover which was provided by the company, scratched my tank. See this, just while I just one second. While I moved this, you see it's crashed my tank. So what I would suggest you is just open this, fit the zip inside, and then lock it tightly. Now it won't scratch your tank, so I would just like to tell you that also. And morning, start with the choke on and do a kickstart to maintain a healthy engine. And as far as I know, I think so the Honda Unicorn has the fastest button start. Let me show it to you. See? Just a fraction of a second, just look at it. As far as I know, no vehicle starts so fast. It's a Honda engine, of course. And the horn which was provided by the company, I think so, it was not loud enough for the city. Therefore, I changed my horn to double horns. The double horns, one is fitted here, and the one more is fitted here. It costed me around 1000 rupees, which is useful. And for the security of the vehicle, I also put a security system. Let me show it to you. Yes, this security system which I put was the Xenos security system. I just use it at nights for the security of the vehicle. So you can start the vehicle with just a button. The key can be removed and the ignition can be off. Let me show it to you. The first one is the signal for on, and again you press, it starts. And to off the vehicle, press the unlock, it offs. And this is the unlock, lock, alarm, wait. This alarm is used when you can't find your parked vehicle, when it is with lots of other vehicles. But make sure the head is also unlocked. Because you lock it, that time you have to start it and then put the key, then it is of not much use. But if you park the vehicle in a safe place, you can just remove the key, just lock it and lock the vehicle. And after that, when you want to take your vehicle, just press it 2 times. And it starts automatically. All the electrical devices also start, and you unlock it, all the electricals also stop. And one thing about the horn I would like to say, it consumes a little more amount of battery compared to the old one. So if you have a plan of fixing it, try to not to use the horn much. And till date, I get a mileage of 42 to 44 in driving the speed of 40 to 80, and try to maintain the RPM below 5. I always do that. In the RPM of 5, I'm able to reach 65 to 70 in 5th gear. There is no any strain to engine. So let me show you the horn. See, it's loud enough. So that's all, guys. You have any questions, just leave a comment below. I'll answer to it. Okay, guys. See, just let me unlock. Yeah. So if you have any comment, just leave a comment below. I'll answer to it. Okay, guys. Thank you.